Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Today we're checking out the MINIX CA520, which lets you use wireless CarPlay and keep an eye on your kids in the back seat at the same time. Like this. Or like this. In this video, I'm going to show you what's included in the box and how to use it. So let's get started. Already we have a manual. We've got the CarPlay adapter here. The camera itself with a little panda cover. You can peel these protectors off. There we go. It's got a ball mount here, and this is a silicone cover, so you can actually remove it if you want, and just use the camera as is. It's got a USB plug here. We also have a USB-A to USB-C adapter, so that if your car has a USB-C plug for your wired CarPlay, you can use this. Now, one of the requirements to use this is that your car has to already have wired CarPlay. So when you plug your phone in with a cable, CarPlay shows up on your screen, and this will plug in where your phone plugs in and add all the new features. As we keep going here, we've got a camera mount. This is the kind that wraps around the headrest posts, and this one you can use with the two straps that are included. So you can just strap it to the headrest with these. We also get a right angle adapter, so if the plug on your dashboard would make this stick out too far, you can just plug this in instead and have it sit on your dash without sticking out too far. And then we also have a USB cable, USB-A to USB-C for the camera. So we will need to plug this in to get power to the camera. Now to use the camera, you can choose either mount, loosen this ring, and snap it in. And that will allow you to angle the camera in a way that works for you, and then you can just tighten it down to lock it in place. And on this side, we just pop it over the headrest mount and then hook it in, like that. So now that we've seen everything that's included, let's get into a car and see how it works. All right, so we're in my truck, which has a head unit with wired CarPlay. So I'm gonna plug in the MINIX to the port that I use for wired CarPlay. Just plug that in. So the light come on, it's connecting here. And now we have to choose a language. We're gonna stick with English. So there's a little warning about distracted driving. You can also toggle it so it won't display anymore. And now we can choose CarPlay or the camera. So let's plug in the camera first. So on one end we have the USB-C cable. Just plug in there. And on the other end, we have the USB-A cable. So I grabbed a 12-volt adapter here to plug it in. So we'll plug that in here, plug it in there. See, the power light comes on here. Go to camera. Camera power connected. Oh, there we go. You can actually tap the plus button to zoom in. Zoom out, and we'll go into mounting in just a little bit. Let's go back here. We'll go to CarPlay, we'll get our phone, we'll go to Bluetooth and connect to MINIX CA520. The device name you need to connect to in your Bluetooth settings is shown right here. A pairing request, and we're connected to CarPlay. So it's just like regular CarPlay, but wireless through the adapter. So now with the button up here, we tap, go to the camera. We can flip the image here if we need to. And down here, we can go to split screen. So now we have CarPlay right here, which works normally, and the camera right here. So if we touch this, we can also do picture in picture, so just have it right here. You can even move it around. So that way you've got your CarPlay set up, but you can still go to all your music and anything like that. So that's really nice. Now if we go into settings, there are a few options here. Default open mode, you can have it go straight to CarPlay or straight into the camera. And you can have the safety warning, you can toggle it back on. Then there's some frequently asked questions. And there's even a QR code to the user guide right here. So now let's take a look at how to mount the camera. Because of the way the headrests are in this vehicle, I'm going to use this mount first. So we can feed one end through here, and the other end through the other side. And that way we could tighten it this way. And if you have a headrest that will allow you to wrap it through the top and bottom, you could thread the other one in as well. And before we go to the back, loosen this, snap it in, and tighten it back up. There we go. Now for this type of headrest, we've got this mount here. I've fed the Velcro through both sides, tighten it up a bit. It's also elastic. And then we'll just stretch it over here. Angle the camera. And now the driver can keep an eye on me. So we go to the camera. Make sure that's zoomed out. Have a good view here. Could even just mirror it if we want. Pop it in picture. And there we go. So we have a real-time picture of the back seat and Apple CarPlay right here. So it's a great way to keep an eye on your kids in the back seat without losing any features, and really easy to install. Now let's take a quick look at how to install the camera on a different type of headrest. So in a car that has headrests like this, we would use this mount. You could use the other one as well, but this one's nice and convenient. We're just going to line this up on the post here. Slide it on like this. Then we're going to use this to hook onto the right post here based on how thick this is. So for this one, I think it should be here. Push this lever back and it snaps it in. Then you can just rotate it into place. Once that's installed, get the camera, loosen this, and snap it onto the ball. Like that. And then you can tighten it back up, position it, and you're good to go. And that's the MINIX CA520 with wireless CarPlay and the baby cam. It's a really great option if you want to keep an eye on your kids, you like to have the convenience of wireless CarPlay, and you want to combine those into a nice convenient package. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave links in the video description, and I want to say a big thank you to MINIX for sending me this to review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and to hype the video, because that really helps me out. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to watch me work on cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.